Good day, dear employers. My name is Carla Sikusipag. I'm 29 years old. I'm married with 3 kids. They are 14, 12, and 10 years old. I am from Philippines. My work experience is I work in Dubai for 2 years. They are 4 members, 2 adults, and 2 kids. They are 6 and 8 years old. I do the household chores and childcare. In Singapore, first employer, they are 5 members, 4 adults and 1 kid. She's 4 years old. I do the household chores, taking care of the kid. And second employer, uh, they are 5 members, 2 adults, 3 kids. They are 10, 8, and 3 years old. I do the household chores, childcare, gardening, and car washing. Thank you very much.